channel. So for today's video, we are going to be going to a light show drive-through. So this will be a Christmas in the Park part 1, because part 2 will be when we go into the location. And if you want to see more, then keep on watching, but don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed, and turn on your post notifications to be notified every time I upload a new video. So that's it. Let's get to it. Vámonos. Yeah, my phone.
This one's actually cool. I haven't seen this shit.
This is different than last time.
Yeah, this is a way better time. J. Paul.
Yeah, this other trip didn't work. You did turn off the light, right?
Yeah.
It's hard to record on 2 phones. What the heck am I doing here?
Figure it out, my friend.
Google. Oh, this one looks sick.
No, pues no vea porque no has visto la pura luz que me ciega. Got it.
There, that looks better. I was like, why are you still? See this way? Yeah. Oh, it looks so cool from behind. It's probably just open. I don't know. It's over there.
walk through one this time, so they might have stands. Last time they put everything in one place. That's probably why they did it here then.
They did it again because they had a good hit last year.
No, but like they couldn't do it in the same spot because that's where the waffle was.
Yeah. My camera looks far away and my phone looks hella near.
What's this Christmas song?
I don't know. It's a dark Christmas one. Oh, come on. Oh, no. It should warn me. Hopefully I don't drop my phone on my face. Oh, gosh. Are we almost there? Dude, they have funnel cakes and I don't. This is it. Nah. No. Is it it?
Yeah, this is.
How much did you pay?
30.
No. I want my money back.
Hey, last time I had this.
No. Wait. Ah.
Toys.
So that's it, guys. Buckle up, it says. Oh my gosh.
I do.
Should I get a Pikachu? Should I get a balloon?
Red one.
Red one, you want me to open it for you?
How much is a Pikachu?
25.
25?
We only got 2 left.
What? Give me this one. Which one? The green or the blue? The green one.
$10 for those. You know that one you have to take it off because I'm going to take it off the rack.
Oh.
She said clip it. She said clip it. Yeah, put it inside one of the buckets of the... Two 10
10. 5 for me
and 5 for her.
and my Pikachu. Here, baby. Oh, I thought it was green. I'm colorblind.
There's like a blue.
No, I'll take this one. This one.
Okay.
Yeah, this one.
Okay, let's go. Thank you.
Thank you. Ay,
It's like baby blue.
yo sí. Yo pensé que era verde. Do you want to go look over there? Nomás para la cámara. So I got this Pikachu. What do you guys think? I don't know. ¿Pero ya no vas a comprar nada? ¿Qué? Pero ya no vas a comprar nada.
¿Van a querer algo de aquí?
¿Usted quiere algo?
Oh, are you guys going?
No,
go
go.
ahead. Okay.
Oh, tienen snow cones. ¿Y allá qué tienen? Funnel cakes. Un hot dog. Pero no hay.
Ay, me la es que está bien frío.
You want Twinkies and Oreos? That's true. Elephant ears? I don't know what elephant ears are.
Kind of sorcery. See, let's see. This is pink.
Just like my school, they try to make a chicken burger.
It's like a backpack.
So, you want anything? So we can make a line.
Did you want anything? They have ice cream.
Let's make a line. Let's get some.
Okay. Yeah.
That one just has popcorn and apple.
Estaba bien corto, ¿no?
Yeah, it was like 10 minutes.
What did you think of the
Short.
It was short. ¿Y usted, suegra?
¿Qué cosa?
¿Qué opina de las luces?
Ah, está bien.
Bien corto.
No, está bonito. Es corto, pero...
¿Y Ivan?
Ivan.
What did you think of the lights? Cool?
Christmas paradise.
That's okay. He's giving money.
My Pikachu. Just get something exotic. You pick something
do
just
you
for the
want?
video.
You wanted the Snicker bar? Well, wait, it doesn't even deep fry. That's just the Snickers bars, I think.
Yeah.
Is it deep fried?
No, give me a deep fried Twinkie.
Deep fried Twinkies?
Yeah.
Oh, they do a taste bar. Okay. Hello. Can I get a deep fried Twinkie?
Chocolate sauce, powdered sugar.
Chocolate sauce and powdered sugar?
Yeah.
Yeah. Like, it's part of this, huh? Very much. Yeah. Can I get a funnel cake with powdered sugar?
A churro.
Each with strawberries.
One churro.
One churro?
Yeah.
One churro.
Need a churro.
And that'll be all.
My Twinkie?
Twinkie? Then.
Oh my god, thank you. It's a chubby Twinkie.
Born into the butt.
Está bien gordo, mire.
It's a giant corn dog over there.
It's a Twinkie.
Oh, I thought it was a corn dog.
Leí que estaba grande. So I got a Twinkie chocolate. And what is that? Strawberry.
Funnel cake.
Churro.
Churro.
If he drops right down, give me a minute.
Okay, thank you.
Quítale un pedazo porque lo puedo...
Is that ketchup or is that barbecue sauce?
Agárrame este.
¿Cómo se llama?
Nomás así, ¿no?
Among the sauce.
Strawberry.
Es como buñuelo. It's good.
Taste.
I'm gonna try.
I don't know if it's still recording. Still recording?
¿Sí?
Oh.
Oh, how is this a Twinkie?
I don't know.
It's good.
Huge.
Está dentro de la harina.
It's in there.
Oh, it's inside all that? Damn, dude.
Ay, for the Twinkie.
You want to try the Oreo or are you good?
I'm gonna take it in the back.
Okay. Alright.
Watch it, they're hot.
Thank you.
Cierra la mano.
That wasn't me.
Planta, mi planta.
Close it.
Abróchate
Okay.
y te vas a comer eso.
¿No le gustó?
Sí, está bueno, pero...
Here's one right here, okay?
Ok, agarra, tú lo puedes agarrar, ¿verdad? Y córtalo con la mano, si no, este es mucho, no te puede...
I would have gotten that, but you can get that anywhere.
Yeah.
Okay. So, it's over. Now we have to go home. So here's my churro. It's in here. Oh, it's 2 churros for $6. That's nice. And my Twinkies in there.